Hello, and welcome to Slade on Slade. This is my beautiful wife, Leslie, and I am Keith. Today, we're going to be doing the comparison and unboxing of the Rise. Real quick, at the end of the video, there will be a giveaway for the box I just showed you and a flocked Panther. I'm going to forego the getting to know me real quick because I have other videos that you can take time on, but I did write that book and it is coming out soon, so I'm just trying to generate a little publicity by giving somebody something cool. Without further delay, on with the review. So if you're here, you're big into He-Man. When I met my wife in 2006, we found that we were both big into He-Man. So we had something in common right off the bat. Today we're going to be reviewing the Keldore 2-pack and Skeletor and his many incarnations. I personally like that one. We have a 1.5-year-old son. Drawn to that one. But this is the one that started it all. I'm a big fan of Kronis, big fan of Keldore. I like Kronis because he's essentially a wounded vet.
Yeah.
And we can relate to that. So let's take it out of the box. Let's be super delicate about it. Oh, there we go. Box, artwork. We've all seen the artwork. Everybody's been taking really beautiful photos. Okay, there you go. Here's the UPC number. If for some reason you need that. Whoops, upside down. Sorry about that. It's still upside down. Man, I am not good at that. So, real quick, I want to say today's the 25th. Today is the official street date. Please don't buy from a scalper. Okay, these things are going to be everywhere relatively quick. Some people got them, some people don't. I live in a very small town in northeast Missouri, and we don't get jack and or shit. We did. My wife earlier today bought me 2 whilst I was out, and then my brother-in-law down in Kansas bought me 2, and that's why I'm going to give one away. So let's break these bad boys out. So what I'm going to start off with is delicately pull them right out of the package. Yoink! Like I said, I am a huge Kronis fan, big, giant trap jaw fan myself. I was injured on my last deployment, so you can relate when you get foreign debris inside your body. Put that over there. I am a huge fan of the fact that Skeletor has crystal eyes. A friend sent a photo that if you break down the head, he actually has a piece of red plastic in there. On a flat piece with the 2 dots, making it look pretty good. I like the weapon that comes with it. It's very sci-fi with a very, very clearly defined 1980s feel. It really looks like a Buck Rogers weapon. Little Battlestar Galactica. So we're going to get right into Kronis. He doesn't want to come out of this package.
As you see his trap jaw.
Oh, good Lord.
Oh my God.
Good Lord. How is he going to get a date now? Here we go. As you can tell, we all know these toys are segmented and you can play with them. This is Kildore. Look at this. I'm a big fan of how they put the added paint scheme on, as in compared to regular Skeletor. Either way, they're both great figures. They bend really well. You do want to be careful. You know, if he gets a little bit of resistance, don't forget to put a little heat. I'll give you credit. He has better hair than I ever had in my life, but then again, I'm not made out of plastic. But that would be fantastic. I have to call back to an old song right there. His articulation is almost identical. His sculpt in his face is just spot on, absolutely. I think Mattel's doing a great job. Not a super good job with distribution, but it's kind of a Walmart thing because most of us are jonesing for a castle. There we go, you want to hold that? So the Havoc Staff, you want to be careful pulling the Havoc Staff out. I've heard a lot of my friends talk about this. The way they got it put in. But if he gets bent, like I just bent the fuck out of it right there, okay, a little bit of heat, you're okay.
You barely see that.
What?
The detail on that. It's cool looking though.
Yeah, it's right about there. So, and same thing with his sword. What I like about the sword is full. It's not that chintzy half sword. I just don't like that. I understand they got to put the 2 swords together, but they don't clip because you got hole, 0 hole there. If I had like a little hole or a little peg right there, we could put it together. In case anybody wants to ask, I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, this is Fire from the Freddy versus Jason toy. And it goes on his machete, but it looks a hell of a lot better on Skeletor. So that is basically the review of the figure. It is, I believe, well worth the $29.99
Yes.
price point. Not that bad. This is a good line. It's a lot of fun. I know this looks like it's basically toys for us, but these are going to our son when he turns 6 and 8, because I myself had a He-Man Christmas when I was 10, and that was right as He-Man first came out. So on with the giveaway real quick. All you got to do is like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to take the first 100 people. I'm going to write all your names down, and I'm going to do a drawing, and somebody's going to walk away with what I just showed you and the Flock Panther, as you could tell, as my wife likes to call him. What do you call him? The furry kitty. You know
Yes.
exactly what she's saying. So, best of luck. Thank you for taking the time on this. I didn't want to make the video too long. And like I said, don't buy from scalpers. Okay. Everybody's going to get a chance to get these toys. Be kind to each other. Be nice to each other. Help each other out, no matter what state you're in. So, with that, this has been Slade on Slade. And we're going to say goodbye.